am Kader Hassanan Al-Gbali. You parents complain that you are careless about your studies because you are Masha Ma Al-Wala Manduo.
We al Naama. Ma'ana. Di. Otimona.
Swearing to God does not mean you are tell the truth.
How I can prove it to you?
I will consider that you are not guilty, only when you properly talk about some details of your studies. I suggest that you talk about how the three elements of the balance sheet are reported.
First of all, assets and liabilities are separated in the statement of financial position into current and non-current categories, and that assets are generally reported in order of liquidity. It may also reported differently depending on the industry of the entity.
Give some examples of current and non-current assets.
For most of entities, current assets are reported in order of liquidity, cash, certain investments, accounts receivable, inventory, and prepaid expenses. Whereas, non-current assets are reported certain investments on funds, property, plant and equipment, intangible assets, and other non-current assets.
Then, how liabilities are reported?
Current liabilities are reported in the following order: accounts payable, current notes payable, and current maturities of non-current liabilities, while non-current liabilities are reported in the following order: non-current notes payable and bonds payable.
You are still need to talk about how equity is reported in the balance sheet?
Equity section is reported as follows: investments by owners, retained earnings, accumulated other comprehensive income, and non-controlling interest, previously called minority interest, in a consolidated entity.
You did a good job, but Temshi Ma Al-Wala Manduo is totally prohibited.